In the heart of Pune, surrounded by a hum of modern life, stand a monument that silently tells story of courage, vision, and the birth of a dream, the Lal Mahal. Through its red wall are a reconstruction of original, the spirit that once filled the place still echoes through every brick and courtyard. The story of Lal Mahal begins in 1630 when Shahaji Bhosle, the Maratha nobleman and a father of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, decided to settle his family in Pune. At that time, Pune was a small, neglected town and Shahaji wanted to revive it. To make it their own home, he built a grand red palace for his wife Jizabai and their young son Shivaji. This was Lal Mahal, meaning Red Palace. Inside this every walls, Jizabai nurtured the dreams that would one day give birth to the Maratha Empire. She thought Shivaji value of justice, courage, and self-respect, lying the foundation of one of the India's greatest leaders. Lal Mahal was not just home, it was a training ground. Here, the young Shivaji learned the art of warfare, horse riding, and strategy. He listened to the tales of Ramayana and Mahabharata from his mother and grew up with a unshakable belief that his land and his people deserve freedom from a foreign rule. Every corridor of Lal Mahal was witness to the making the warrior who would later change mighty empires and carve out kingdom that valued self-rule and honor. One of the most dramatic episodes linked to the Lal Mahal take place in 1663. The Mughal general Shahista Khan living in the Lal Mahal itself, the childhood home of Shivaji Maharaj. But Shivaji was not one to forget or forgive. In a daring night raid, Shivaji and his men shaked into heavily guarded place, moving through secret passages and dungeons. They stormed Shahista Khan's chamber. In a choice that followed, Shivaji struck Shahista Khan, slicing off his fingers before escaping into the darkness. This bold attack not only humiliated the Mughals but also showed the world the fearlessness and genius of Shivaji Maharaj. The original Lal Mahal didn't survive the tides of time and battle. However, in 1988, the Pune Municipal Corporation rebuilt it near Shaniwar Wada to honor the legacy of Shivaji Maharaj and Jizabai. Today, when you visit Lal Mahal, you'll find beautiful statues of Jizabai and Yak Shivaji along with paintings and scenes that recreate the replaced glorious part. The place might be similar than the original, but its emotional and historical power is insane. Standing inside Lal Mahal is like stepping back in a time. Imagine a young boy who dreamed of a free Maratha land and mother whose wisdom shaped history. It's not just a moment, it's a reminder so great leaders are born from great values and the courage of being at home. So next time you are in Pune, take a moment to visit iconic landmark, walk through its quiet halls, close your eyes and let the stories of Lal Mahal whisper the legacy of Shivaji Maharaj, the Lion of Maratha.